According to major car manufacturers, there will be attractive and competitive electric and plug-in hybrid cars on the Swiss market. Over the next few years, the number of this kind of vehicles running in Switzerland will therefore grow continuously. To provide energy to these vehicles' batteries, there will be 3 different charging modes: sleep and charge, park and charge, and coffee and charge. Over 90% of the charging process will be done at home during the night. You will just park your car, plug it in the evening, and the next morning your batteries will be full. In order to avoid an overload for the power supplier, the power utility will have the capability to interrupt or delay the charging process for a short period of time to optimize the recharging process. This interruption can be overruled by the user by paying a small extra charge. Public stations will be introduced more and more in strategic locations in cities as measures to improve the air quality and reduce urban noise. Also, private companies will provide public stations for their clients and employees. The charging stations can, of course, propose different shapes and solutions. The fast charge will allow users to overcome the range anxiety for an emergency recharge or occasional long journey, and optimizing the management of electric vehicle fleets. By 2020, 150 fast charging stations will be sufficient for 15% of electric vehicles in the total Swiss fleet. In order to avoid peaks on the grid, one possibility is to add a battery energy buffer to the charging station. Once the car is connected to the fast charge station, its batteries will be quickly recharged in order to increase the range up to 100 kilometers in about 10 minutes. With the implementation of the described charging infrastructure, one of the premises for the introduction of 720,000 electric plug-in hybrid vehicles in Switzerland by 2020 will be fulfilled. Therefore, a reduction of 1.2 million tons of CO2 emission and 550 million litres of oil per year would become possible.